Do you know the signs of kidney danger? It's a topic often pushed to the back of our minds, yet our kidneys are crucial players in our body's overall health. These hardworking organs perform vital functions, but their well-being is often overlooked. Today we're bringing kidney health to the forefront, highlighting 12 signs that your kidneys may be crying out for help. Being aware of these signs can help you seek medical help early and can potentially save your life. The first sign that your kidneys may be in danger is a change in urination. This could mean you're going more often, or less often, or maybe you've noticed a change in color or smell. Your kidneys filter your blood and remove toxins through urine, so any changes could be a sign that they're not performing as they should. The second sign is swelling in the body. If your kidneys aren't working properly, they can't remove extra fluid from your body. This can lead to swelling, particularly in your hands, feet, and ankles. The third sign to watch out for is skin rashes. Your kidneys remove waste from your bloodstream. If they're not doing their job, these wastes can build up in your blood and cause severe itching and rashes. These are just the first 3 signs. Let's continue, the next ones may surprise you. One of the less known signs of kidney danger is a constant fatigue. Your kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin that helps your body make red blood cells that carry oxygen. When your kidneys are in danger, they might make less of this hormone, leading to a decrease in red blood cells. This can result in a constant feeling of being tired or fatigued. Next up, we have a metallic taste in your mouth. This is due to a buildup of toxins in your blood which your kidneys should normally filter out. When these toxins accumulate, they can change the taste of food and cause bad breath. Lastly, shortness of breath is another alarming sign. This can be caused by extra fluid buildup in your body due to your kidneys not functioning properly or due to anemia, a shortage of red blood cells, both of which can lead to shortness of breath. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice. Sign number 7. A feeling of cold, even when in a warm environment. This could be your body's way of telling you that your kidneys are struggling. It's because the kidneys, when healthy, help with red blood cell production. A decrease in these cells can cause you to feel cold all the time, even if you're bundled up. Moving on to sign number 8. Frequent dizziness. This can occur due to the buildup of toxins in the blood that the kidneys are supposed to filter out. This buildup can cause a feeling of unsteadiness, or lightheadedness, which should not be overlooked. Finally, sign number 9 is trouble thinking clearly. This may sound strange, but remember, our kidneys help regulate the amount of oxygen reaching our brains. If they are not functioning properly, it could lead to cognitive issues. Remember, these symptoms may not always mean your kidneys are in danger, but they are warning signs you shouldn't ignore. The final 3 signs are often overlooked but are very important. First, back pain, particularly around the kidney area, may denote a kidney problem. Second, high blood pressure, while it can be caused by various issues, is often linked to kidney disease. Lastly, changes in appetite, especially a loss of it, could be a sign your kidneys aren't functioning as they should. These are all signs that your kidneys may not be functioning properly. In summary, it's crucial to be aware of these 12 signs of kidney danger. We've walked through a multitude of symptoms, from changes in urination and swelling in certain body parts, to skin rashes and feeling cold often. We also discussed more severe indicators such as shortness of breath, fatigue, and chest pain. Each of these signs is a potential red flag that your kidneys might be under stress. They're your body's way of ringing the alarm bell, telling you something may be wrong. It's essential not to ignore these signs. If you or anyone you know experience any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical advice promptly. Kidney diseases can often be managed effectively if detected early. Remember, early detection can make a huge difference, so take care of your kidneys and they'll take care of you. It's not just about extending your lifespan, it's about enhancing the quality of your life.